Ongelesha watu. Hey lovely people. Say hi.
Unaniweka TikTok?
No, say hi to my people by the way.
Unaniweka TikTok?
Speak in English. I don't have any friends wenye anajua Kiswahili tafadhali.
Hi. Unanichukua.
Ni content. It's a content. Si ulisema wewe uibikangi.
Sasa unajua nienda hivi live.
Sawa basi rudi watu nini siku record. Hi lovely people, so it's me once more Shorope with a new interesting video. So this is where I stay. As you can see, this is our neighbor. He's a Niger. Imagine a Niger living in Kenya. So good and so I don't know if maybe I can one day go to Niger and buy a land like this and you expect everything to be fine. I don't know, but we have so beautiful weather and greens. Mama, what's wrong? Nataka kupanguzwa. Sijatu sana kuchukuaje video kani kamera iko hii side. Yeah, oh my god. Sija kuchukua. As you can see guys, this area is so grown. We have so many neighbors here. You can see. Yep. Kwani uliibiwa wapi?
Mimi nagoja niongee. Oh, we have nikauza waliketa. Guys, acha kulamba.
Tell people we have cows. So waambie we have cows.
Yeah, we have cows. Ama keto.
Bora wanaona ni ng'ombe. Na ziko mbali. Ambia watu. Tell people we have cows.
We have cows.
Guys. So guys, I'm here.
Hey, hello. Say my hello. Say my hello.
So guys, I'm here. Mi ndo niko behind the camera. Yeah, as you can see, my hair inakaa so bad, but it's fine. It's a bad hair day. Yeah, my hair looks so bad, but I think I'll undo it. No, I'm full. I'm full. Thank you. I'll undo it. Yeah, so I'm here outside, as you can see the background. Yeah, at home, just relaxing, and the weather looks like it's too is it too dull, or I don't know. Mama, what's wrong? What's wrong? The weather is so dull. That's why you can see the green. The green. The grass is so green because it's always raining in here. I think it's a rainy season, and yeah. So guys, remember to subscribe, like and share, and God will bless you. Thank you.